Okay, now let's look at one more example. And let's look at the page 553, problem 16. So we need to rewrite this cosine of the 5 pi over 24 times sine of negative pi over 24. Okay, so this time we need to use this identity. We have the cosine of A times sine of B equal to 1/2 times sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. And here the A is equal to 5 pi over 24. And B is equal to negative pi over 24. So now we have the cosine of 5 pi over 24 times sine negative pi over 24 is equal to 1/2 times sine of the 5 pi over 24 plus negative pi over 24, and then minus sine of the 5 pi over 24 minus negative pi over 24. And then you simplify, you got 1/2 times sine of the pi over 6, and then minus the sine of the pi over 4, and then you get the values of these two functions. So first one is the 1/2, and then second one is the root of 2 over 2, and then continue to simplify, you have the 1 minus root of 2 over 4. Okay, from this step to this step, you just use the calculate to do this computation. Okay, any question? Now let's look at the sum to product identities. And we just named the product to sum identities, right? Now let's do the reverse problem. So sum to product identities. So let's begin with the identity 5. Identity 5 is like this: sine A times cosine B equal to 1/2 times sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. Okay, so this is the identity 5 we got before. Now, to get the sum to product identity, so we need to find the expression like the sine of x plus the sine of y, and then rewrite the sum in the form of the product. So to get the expression of the form sine of x plus sine of y, we just net x be a plus b, and y be a minus b. Now from these two equations, we can solve the a and b in terms of x, y. So actually this is a simple equations. If you add these two equations, you have the 2a equal to x plus y. Right? You add these two equations, a plus a, 2a, b minus b, 0. So you have the 2a equal to x plus y. And if you subtract these two equations, a minus a, 0, b minus negative b, 2b, so you have the x minus b equal to 2b. So 2b is equal to x minus y. And then you get a equal to 1/2 times x plus y, and b is equal to 1/2 times x minus y. Okay, so now you replace a and b on the left side of this identity by the 1/2 x plus y and 1/2 x minus y. Then you get sine of x plus y over 2, this is a, times cosine of x minus y over 2, and this is b, right, equal to 1/2, and a plus b, this is just x, right, a minus b is just y, so this is, the right side is equal to 1/2 times sine of x plus sine of y. Now let's switch to both sides. I'm multiplying, okay, the both sides by 2. So we have the sine x plus sine y equal to 2 times this expression, 2 times sine of the x plus y over 2, and times cosine of x minus y over 2. So this one is the first sum to product identity. Okay, so this is the sum to product identity. And we will use this sum to product identity when we try to solve the trigonometric equation. Okay, we'll cover this in the coming section, section 6. And similarly, you can get other sum to product identities. Okay, so actually this one we got it from this identity 5, and then we can have the other sum to product identities. We have the sine of x minus sine of y equal to 2 times cosine of the x plus y over 2, and times sine of x minus y over 2. And this is from the identity 6. Okay, you look at the identity 6, this guy. So from this guy, you can have the sine of the x minus the sine of y equal to 2 times cosine of the x plus y over 2 and times the sine of the x minus y over 2. Okay.